Hello, welcome back. I'm working on the Cayenne Turbo, 2016 Cayenne Turbo. This time, since I repaired the alternator water leak and I was able to replace the broken bolts down below, I said, I found one more. Let me do this one. So I have this broken bolt, and you can just see the tip of it right here. And the problem was, I tried a reverse drill bit on the inside, could not get it. So by luck, I was able to screw it in, and then I got enough threads to bite on, and I am slowly turning it 1 freaking millimeter, if that, at a time, and I'm slowly working it out. So it will be coming out soon, and then I should be able to get to the front and put a new one in and torque it to where I need to, and this one should be done. Once I get this out, I will continue filming. Okay, I'm back. Got the little bastard out. This one right here came out from there, and hard to see. There she is. All right. Oh well. 6 millimeter bolt broken off. Had to turn it probably 1 degree at a time to get it out of there. So I do have replacements, and I will try to get those installed and torque it. Back installing the broken bolt on the upper timing cover, and got the new bolt in place, slowly screwing it in. Big problem with these is they're aluminum, so you cannot do any magnetic to make sure you don't drop them. And then at the same time, you don't want to drop your sockets or your Torx or anything down below, or you're going to have a big headache. So getting it in there, finger tight, then I'm going to torque it. And again, doing all this by hand. And I should be able to, once I get it in there, get a smaller extension on my Torx. I think this is a Torx 30, a 1/4 inch socket, and I should be able to torque it. And I will call this one done, but I will pick up filming once I get this tight and get the torque wrench ready to go. Back on the timing chain broken bolt. Got the old one out, got the new bolt in, got the torque wrench set up. I read torque spec is 6 foot-pounds or 8 Newton meters, and then go 1/4 turn, 90 degrees after you click. So my new whiz-bang torque wrench, 1/4 inch, goes by inch pounds. Calculated 6 foot-pounds times 12 inches is 72 inch pounds. So I have the torque wrench set up for that. Kind of go through and hear it click, which right there. And then it says another 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is gonna be pretty far over, which I don't know if I'm gonna get, but I don't want to break this bolt again. So I'm gonna go 30 and call it good. Maybe even a little more. Okay, I'm calling that good. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's an upper bolt, and it basically holds a bracket for something else, and that is not good because, like I feared, shit drops off. But I do have my magnet that should get that Boom. Disaster averted.